Hudgel with MarineMax at Panama City Beach, and I'm standing on a 1995 43 Viking open fisherman named Double Trouble. And I'm going to start these 6B92 Detroits at 550 horsepower apiece, so you can see how quick and easy they start. No smoke, no fuss. This is an ice cold start. Boat has not been started in a couple of weeks. Now we're going to do a cold start of the generator. Ice cold. As you can see, the mechanical systems in this boat, along with everything else, are in top shape and ready to go fishing. I'm Todd Hudgel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Give me a call, 850-687-9144.